Besties, look what we got, girl. The LA Colors lip glitter gloss. You know I love glitter and I love the packaging. Look how like it's holographic, bestie. Look at all that glitter. I'm so excited, bestie. So let's try this out. So this came from Five Below for $3. No, for $2.50. So applicator. I love this type of applicator. I don't like the little like small one, but this one is tea. But enough talking. Let's try this. Do y'all not see how good that is? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that. See, this gets a freaking 15 out of 10. Be affordable. It has amazing packaging. And look at this glitter. Like, if you're like me and love a good glitter gloss, you're going to love this now. Like, do y'all not see how pretty, like how freaking pretty that looks? This is my new favorite glitter gloss, and for it to be affordable, I gotta go back and buy like 3 more. Cause this logo, if y'all are going to try this out, besties, and until next time.